Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll start Excel homepage and who are the basic learners are for Excel and who don't know, who don't have anything knowledge about Excel. It's very useful for you this video. So just to clearly understand and focus on. So after watching video, please go through the practice. Okay, and we'll start Excel. So this is already I have prepared on Excel for you people understanding. So you can start, click here and you can type here Excel or already Excel will be there, just you can take here. Okay, so already for explaining to you, I already prepared for one Excel already I prepared, so I'll open here. So this is totally we can say Excel, and first this row is called title bar. So it will show the which file is running presently. You can see here this I mentioned the file name is sample, so that will show you. And here the three minimize, maximize and shut buttons will be there. And here these are, you can say, that is the tabs: home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. These are home tabs, you can say. When you select one tab, multiple options will be available. So we'll see one. First today we'll see a home tab. Okay, this is, you can say here, this is total icons will be there. So while seeing icons also it can be used. Okay, and this total area is sheet, so you can be used as a working area. And here you can see here sheets are there, that is a status bar. Okay, it will show you sheet number 1 2, or you can be, if you want a new sheet also, just you have to click plus symbol, you can get the new sheet. Okay, this is the kind of sheets will be there. So already I prepared one uh, table for you to understand. So because if I start now only to take time. So first option will be see here, this is a copy and cut paste. So copy cut paste, you know that already we used in the Word. Okay, already given the video, you can see this is the basic learners. Suppose you want to be copy, see I want to be copy this one, you can be click here copy option. Okay, you want to paste here, just you click here paste. Or you can be use shortcut key also, you can use control V for paste, control C for copy. Just I'll use your control V I'm using, that is a paste. So you can be use copy paste, control C for copy and control V for paste. And next comes here font styles. Okay, if you want to be font styles, be different kind of font style you want. See, suppose I have written here, first you have to be select the fonts. Okay, then you click here Calibri. Okay, then you have to be check which kind of font you want, you can be check. See, I want to check here Arial black. Okay, Basquiat boldface. So which kind of you want, you can be take. And if you want to be increase the font styles, font size, you can be increase here. See, I'm increase the font size. Okay, so how much you select, it will become. So if you select the full, it will from the full. So I have selected here now full, and all will be cover here. Okay, now sometime at a point when you taken font size, because this is the gap is it's not appearing name. So then what happened, just you have to be double click on here. So only one column will come. If you want to be all column, just you have to select all columns and double click on. Okay, so you might be know that column and row. See this what horizontal line is there, that is called rows. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 5, like this. So its straight lines are calling is column. See, column means what? Straight lines. You can see serial number A column, B column, C column, D column. Okay, and this small intersection box is called, this box is called, you can say, cell. The intersection between row and column, that is called cell. Okay, we can, you can say the cell. Okay, that is the cell. And if you, that is, it will show the address, you can see here. So it will be when you click here cell address will be there. You can see here this H here it's showing here. So which cell address here, suppose I have selected here, so it showing the cell address. This is the A column, row number 2. If I select here, you can change here A column, row 5. If I select here D column, row 5. So it will be show the cell address, that is called, you can be say cell address. Okay, it will show the cell address. And you can see here if you want to make the table, okay, or you want to be keep like border. See, I want to take border of all these numbers, okay. Just you can be go for table, and you can select the table border. You can be select bottom border, top border, otherwise just I'm taking all borders. And you can see here it's showing the table. So this is like this. If you want to be keep border for table, you can use. And bold, italic, bold means it will be somewhat thick size. That one you can see changing, okay, that is called bold. What italic means somewhat curved side design. You can see here the font will be turning the degrees wise. And this you can see here underline, okay. When you want to be keep underline for that one, you can use. So these are the font styles you can use. And if you want to be keep a coloring for the fonts, so it is basic learners. It's very important. You have to understand every tag. You should be understand. Then only you can make perfectly. You can be learn it. Okay, you can see here this is coloring. If you want to be keep label color of this one, okay, then you can be take label. So which kind of color you want, you can be keep this label color. And if you want to use only for the fonts, I want to keep only fonts color, you can be use the font as colors. So label it will take as a background color, and only font color you take only for the fonts it will be applied, okay. And one more you can see here, this is the increase font size. So you have to select here. See, I have select this column only. I want to make decrease of font size or increase of font size, okay. You can be use as from here also directly you can use, okay. So, and it is an orientation of font orientation. See, you want to make some more design of these headings. Like I have selected all these headings, I want to make as orientation. See, like this angle I want to write, you can see it's coming the angle, okay. Yeah, different kind of angles are there, clockwise, anti-clockwise, rotate text up. So when you are doing some project, you want to be keep headings as differently, you can be take here like this, okay. These are the designs will be there, you can be take. Or if you want to be more settings on that, you have to go format cell alignment. When you open this one, you can see all settings related numbers and alignment, font, border color, fill, protection. See, suppose you want to be alignment is text alignment will be there, okay. And you can be see font styles will be there. And border, if you want to keep, you can keep the border also. So you can, if you want to keep, you can keep border also. And you can select this one, okay, and click ok, okay. This is particularly if you want to be key for these alignments, you can be use, okay. And this is for the indent. Suppose this 50 number is there, I want to keep front side, you can see here. See, indent is coming front, okay. Or if you want to be keep from this side, you can be keep indent, okay. This is called indent, left indent and right indent. You can see it 50 is going left side, and if you want right side also it will come here. And it's come here again merge and center. If you want to be merge means a mixing of 2 3 cells at times. See, I want to be mix of these two. Here you can see these two cells I want to make as mix one. So I can be click here merge and center. So here you can see here instead of two, in down is two columns are there, up is only, it's both are merging. So like this you can be merge here, merge across, merge center, all are working the same. You can be merge means what, combining of 2 and 3 cells. If you want to be make one more cell, or if you want to combine, you can see I want to combine these all three, okay. Then I will be select here all three is combined, and 95 is come the center. So like this you want to be make combine of that one, you can be make the combine that one, okay. Next is comes here again here. Yes, depend upon the generals, numbers, currencies, okay. So we'll see here. So how it's work on, if you want to be use as a currency also you can use, general also you can use, percentage also you can use, okay. Depend upon what requirement is for you, you can be use that one. See, suppose first I'll take general is normally we are using, that is a general, okay. See, if you want next is number, so number is as usual number is come. So only for just you check here. So if you want like these numbers, like after decimal you want to keep, you can be keep here. So this also if you want to keep, you can be keep after decimals, okay. This is for the numbers, okay. Next comes here again currency, okay. If you want to use a currency, see, you have to select first column, and you have to select here currency. When you select the currency, you can see dollar symbols came, oh, that is a currency. And accountants also same symbols are coming, accountants you can see. And next comes here a short date and long date. Okay, if you want to be keep here one date, or just I'll take one column, it will come directly, or you can be put the date also. See, I want to take here date as short date. So when I select the short date, it's coming. If short date, only month, date, month and year, only for the numbers will come. If you want same as a long date, so it will come with Sunday, March 25th 1990. So because I already have taken default, okay, if you want to be mentioned particularly, you can be mentioned that one. Okay, that is for the short date and long date. And time, see, suppose you want to write here a time. Okay, one I will write here 12. Okay, 00, and next I want to be 1. Okay, 00. So here no PM, no AM. See, just I will be drag here down. Okay, I'll make here. I want to check everything has to be PM and AM. Just to be click here time. See, you can be see it's not adjusting. Okay, some formulas are control Z. I'll do. Wait, 1 second. I will be make out here. See, just I'll be select here 12:1. I'll be click here time. So you can be change here time. So it's not affecting. Just I'll write here like 12 0. Okay, 01. Okay, and 02. So this is timing, it will be set here. So I will be select here, I want to set as a time. Okay, just you can click see here, this you can be see, I'll make zoom. Okay, you can see here, this is for the timing, it will come automatically PM and AM. So that is for, if you want to put the timing, you can be put there. Okay, that is about time settings, you can be keep. And percentage, if you want to be show as a percentage, see, already your total I will do, and percentage you want to show, you can be show the percentage as well as. Okay, you can be show the percentage how. See, suppose I have selected here total, so you can see here how to make total also. You can use here AutoSum symbol is there. Okay, when you click here AutoSum, okay, automatically sum is selected for the range. Here you can say C2 to G2. Here you can see column and 2 row up to here means 1 2 3 4 5 column is accepting. So just you press enter, automatically sum will come. Okay, after coming sum, if you want to be full sum, just here down plus symbol will come. Just to be drag down, you can see automatically come here percent. And same way, if you want to be use a percentage also, you can click average, and after average this here how many subjects are, just you have to put here uh, 5 subject. Okay, just you put here. So you can see here H2 is there, you have to instead H2 you have to write here G2 because H2 is coming in this also. Okay, so I will be put here after average, this one value is not taking, so I am to take one more time as average divided by, and I'll write push here 5. Okay, formula is not valid because taking 0 and something right wrong. 1 second, I'll write here, I'll take sum as divided by 6 or 5. You can see this is a percentage came. Okay, here you want to be show as a percentage, then you have to select here and go to the percentage and click as a percentage, so you can see the percentage. So like this you can be show it. And next comes here again one more is fraction. If you want to use the fraction also, you can use like 4 by 3 by 4, 4 by 4 by 6 fraction wise you can use. So these are the number settings will be there, you can be used. Okay, and next comes this is, you can see here normally here also symbols are there. Dollar, if you want to keep here, just you select, you keep the dollar. Okay, it will come the dollar. Okay, that's you normally. And if you want to be send as a percentage, you can use percentage coming. Okay, symbols, if you want to use comma, comma you can use. Okay, if you want to be symbols, you can see increase decimal and decrease. Increase decimal, you can see when you click here, it will be increasing 1 by 1 decimal symbols is increasing. Same if you want to be decreasing, just you have to be click reverse, so it will be decrease the symbols. Okay, I think you have understand just increasing and decreasing symbol. So video this will be look somewhat more, but you have to be understand everything because see some all contents are there, you have to be understand properly. And next comes here conditional formatting. So we'll see here conditional formatting is very important. See, I want to put somewhat condition for this table. See, I have this table. I want to put special conditional. See, when you go for conditional formatting, so first we'll see highlight cells rules. In there, second will come a greater than. Okay, I want to be keep condition this here, this cell which is greater than 65. So whichever is that, it's looking a red light. Okay, I can also change here. I'll be type here which is greater than 70. Okay, I want to change this color is light red is there. I can write light green fill also, you can see here. So like this you can be put. So when you summarizing result of students like this, you can be put the conditional. Okay, that is for greater than. Same as well as you can be select here, you can be use less than also. Same, go to the conditional, go to here less than. Okay, if you want to keep less than here 50, who are score less than 50, I want to see only red color or particular yellow color, you can be books. See, out of this table who are scored before 50, below 50, they have less number. Okay, this is condition. If you want to clear the conditional, just you go and clear rule for selected cells, you can remove. Okay, this is less than, greater than. And next comes here uh, between. So if you want to keep here between number, so I want to keep here 30 to 60, who are numbers are there, I can use the between numbers, you can see. So like this conditional formatting many are there. Between also you can use, and equals to also you can use equals to exact numbers. And text that contains, here comes combination of text. First I will be clear this one. Okay, now I want to check with the text, so I'll be select all. So again go conditional formatting and go to highlighted text that contains. So you can see here, here is name. I want to be check only which contains the I, it should be highlighted. Or I want to check which is contain the S, that should be highlighted. I want to contain particular N. So like this, when you have bulk of information, that time what happened, you are unable to identify properly. So that time you have to be use the this kind of conditions. So you can put conditions and keep saving. And you can see next one is duplicate values. If you want to be duplicate value also, you can check it. Say suppose you have selected only duplicate values not there, it means repeated. You can see who has scored 50, again 50, that is called duplicate values. I think here duplicate values 95 is there, 85 is there, 56 is there. Okay, these are the duplicate you can see. Or you can be keep unique also, you can check. Okay, duplicate means double, unique means different. So you can check. So this is about the conditional formatting. I think highlighted all you have cleared. And now next will come here top bottom rules. Suppose when you are taking out result of student or employees, so you want to be take top 10 from top 10 or top 5. You can just you click first, you check top 10. When I select here top 10, okay, sorry, I will select only one row here because this is the result. I want to find out here top. Okay, top 10 is there, I will reduce that one. Okay, so here top 10 is written, I will be take here top 3. So you can see here top 3 is appearing. First top is 391, 384 and 383. If I take top 2, only 2 are. So like this you can be find out the top. Green filling is commonly for everywhere. Red border. Okay, different kind of you can be use. And this like this you can be find out the top one in the category or in the list, you can be find out. Okay, and top over, then you can see top 10 percentage. Same, it is same different, there is no different. Same you can check here top 10, top 12 percentage 391. Okay, so like this if you want to clear the all conditionals you can clear the all conditionals. Okay, for selected, for select you have to select and you have to be clear the rules. Okay, clear rules from selected cells. Okay, it's not selected. Okay, next comes again here which is there, first you have to be keep select. Okay, next come here top bottom, my bottom tens, bottom percentage, above average, below average. Okay, so average also you can be find out. Okay, and next comes here a gradient fill. If you want to keep gradient fill here, you can we see only depend upon the marks, it will be come. See, just I'll be select here, this is gradient one. Okay, it will be show somewhat particularly. Okay, then I'll go here, gradient bars, you can see here. So when I selected here, it's showing the from bottom to top, top to bottom. Okay, bars you can select, depend upon marks it will come, because all marks are similar, it's coming like this. If I put here marks is 200, so it will be change the date. So you can see, if I put here 100, okay, it will be change. You can see this is, if I put here 150, somewhat change. So it will be show the uh, graph how it's scored. Okay, how he scored, that is showing the gradient. Okay, color scale same, colors top to bottom, bottom to colors, and icon sets. Instead of that one, you want to be keep icons, you can be keep the icons also. You can see here icons, or if you can see here, if you want to change the icons, any kind of icons, you can be keep the icons. So this is about the conditional formatting. Okay, format as table. See, already I prepared table, I want to be format as designing. Just format means making the design of table. You can see, just I will be select here, I want to be design as format as table. You can see here, if I selected this one, okay, it will be show like this. If I want to change, I can change the table. Okay, many kinds of formats will be there. So if you want to be look more beautifully, so then you can be use the format design tab, you can be used. If you don't want, and you can be use remove that, this also. Okay, it will be help you when you doing. So you should be learn, because now we are under basic process. Okay, you can see here. And if you want to be keep cell styles also, you can check here, many kind of cell styles are there. So you can be make whichever kind of cells you want to be, good, bad, what you want to be put conditionals, you can be put it. Okay, cell as normally, bad, normal, normal is normal. Okay, if you want like this cell setting particular, so you can be put the cell means I told only the box of individual. Okay, that is called cells. And if you want here, click here insert cell. If you want to be insert cell, okay, just I want to be insert here on cell. Okay, just I'll be click here, I'll be insert the cell. Okay, it will ask you cell side. Okay, then it will be insert the cell. Okay, when you ask the cell, insert the cell, you can be insert sheet rows also, it will be there. Okay, rows also you can be used, as well as cells also you can be used. Okay, column also you can be use at column also, you can be use if you want to be column. Row is this one. See, I want to be enter row here, just I want to be click here row, insert sheet row. So you can be see here above one row came, that is a row. Okay, if I want to be insert cell also, just I will be click here. Okay, I want to be insert uh, column, just I click here. See, you can be see here one new more column came. So this is column, this is row. If you want to insert cell, row or column, you can use. If you want to delete also, you can be delete here also. Delete cell, delete column, delete sheet. Okay, same insert sheet. If you want, click here insert sheet, you can get it here. I told already first insert only. This plus symbol, if you click also, you'll get the new sheet. Or if you want to be go here insert also, insert sheet. Okay, if you want to delete also, save, you can use the sheet one. Okay, that sheet whichever we give, telling you, the same sheet you can use. And format, see here is a height of row and column, if you want to use, you can be use. Okay, I will tell you. See here also you can be delete like this also, just right click and delete the row and column. Okay, next comes here format. First we'll see here row height. So this is the row height is default 15 will be there. Okay, if I want to be change the row height, just I'll click a row height. Okay, this is 36. If I want to make here 20 row, just to click here, it will be decrease. You can see this is decrease. If I want to more again row, just I will be click here row, I want to be 36, same as usual, I can use 36. So this is the row with row setting. And you can see same auto fit row also, 15 will be there. If you want to be select all, just it will be auto fit, or whichever you did, it will be there the auto fit. And column, okay, you can see here. And column also, if you want to be changed, see this is a column. Okay, I want to make more width, that one you can use instead of column here. Actually this is the 8.43 will be there, I have taken a little more. Now I will be keep here 25. So you can see here this column is increased. So if you want to be like this also you can do. See, when you click here, this row line is there, just it come plus symbol, just you drag and leave it. So you can do like this also, or you can be go there also, but basically you have to understand which point where available. Okay, then this is after row 1, and you can see here hide and unhide. If you want to hide this science field, I want to be hide, just I'll click here, hide column. So science column is hide. So if I want to be open that one, I can be open that one. Okay, column also I can hide. If I want to be Kumar row, I want to be hide, just I click here and hide a row. I want to be hide a row, just you can be hide here, hide row. So Kumar is not available, so when I go back it will be unhide. Okay, you can use here from right click also, just when you cursor Rahul is just right click, you can be see here also hide, unhide, format row, delete, insert, all options here also available, row and column both. Okay, here also you can be use it. Okay, rename onto sheet. I want to be rename the sheet is now, it is already showing here sheet 1, I want to be rename. So I'll write here mark list. Okay, just I'll press here down, you can see mark list. See, you can see here already I have changed here down, you can see mark list. Okay, before it was sheet 1, or like this also you can be make the rename also. Okay, and move or copy to sheet. Okay, I I'll if I want to be move same to another copy, or I want to be make copy of that one, there I have to be click here move to sheet, then you have to be ask, okay, create a copy, click OK. So another sheet mark list 2 it came here, I can be again, I can just right click here also, I can put the rename mark list 2. Yes, okay, this is I can say, I can write duplicate also. So like this, if you want to make double also, it can be used as here. So this is the rename. There also you can use, even in this tab also it can be used for all related sheet settings will be available here. Okay, next here comes here, we have seen auto sum. Already I told you, if I want to make total of this one, just I have to click here, no need to, just you click here and take option sum, and just you have to be check here the range of selected. See C2 to G2, we can check here C2, this is, and this one is G2. Just to press enter, automatically total will come. So when you want to be drag down, when you drag, all totals will become automatically. So this is same way, average also can be go, and maximize, minimize also can be go here. So options are there, average, okay, maximum, I want to check here out of this which is a maximum. Okay, even though I can be click here for the maximum. Okay, if I check here 373 is maximum here, if I selected only here this much, I can be check here. Okay, click, I want to check here minimum, you can see minimum is 30. So like this, out of the column, out of the row, what is the maximum and minimize also you can be checked. Okay, this is AutoSum we can say. Okay, minimize, maximize, and more functions will be there. Count numbers, how many are there here, you can see count number 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 columns are there, count number. If you want to be fill, right, left, okay, up. Okay, if you want to be fill also, you can be use the filling option here. Okay, series also will come here, you want to be series also, you can use series. And if you want to clear comments already we have comment format is there. Okay, when you clear, and here sorting will come here. See, that is the alphabetical wise, you can be use sorting from A to Z and Z to A. See, sort A to Z, here is no R is there, K is there, there is no alphabetical. When I select here, it's come from here A to Z sorting, you can see A after B, again K, alphabetical wise. If I want to be reverse, I can go for descending orderly, like Z to A. You can see, yes, Srinivas and Satish will become upside, and I should become the last. Okay, okay, click sort. So you can see here it is opposite, quite opposite. So that is called sorting. Okay, you can be do the sorting for ascending and descending order. Okay, you have to select and do the sorting. Okay, and filter also will be there, custom sorting also is there. Okay, filter, when you select here filter, here first you have to select all headings. Okay, when you click here filter, it will select as a filter.